Welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. Today I come to you with a recipe which all of you will love. That is Coconut Laddu or Nariyal Ladoo. It is very popular with many people who make it on special occasions or on festivals. Before we go ahead, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's start with the recipe. The ingredients to make the coconut ladoos are desiccated coconut or cobra kiss 2 cups, sugar or shakkar half a cup, 1 teaspoon ghee, cardamom or elaichi ground half teaspoon, milk half cup, milk powder 2 tablespoons. Now we shall start preparing the mixture for our coconut ladoos. Place the pan on the gas, light the stove and add a teaspoon of ghee into it. As the ghee has melted, we shall add the desiccated coconut to it. Mix it continuously just to give it a slight roast. We should not brown the coconut. Now we shall reduce the stove to sim and keep on roasting the desiccated coconut for around 3 minutes. I shall add the milk. Mix it for another 2 to 3 minutes. If you find the mixture is a little dry, you may add 2 to 3 teaspoons more of milk to it. Now I shall add the milk powder to the mixture and give it a nice stir. This will help our ladoos to get a very nice texture and taste. After mixing it for a minute, we shall add the sugar. And keep stirring it till the sugar melts completely. The sugar has melted completely. We shall add the elaichi powder to it and mix it. Now we shall turn off the stove as our mixture is ready for the ladoos. Now we shall allow the mixture to cool till it comes to a lukewarm temperature. We should not allow the mixture to cool completely. The ladoos have to be formed when the mixture is lukewarm. Our mixture is now ready. We can now form the ladoos by taking 2 spoonsful of the mixture into the palm of your hand. If you want a little big, you can take another spoonful. Depends on the size of the ladoos you want to make. This is the way you will squeeze the mixture together to form the ladoos. This is how our laddu will look. I shall roll it in a little desiccated coconut which I have kept aside. So friends, our coconut ladoos are ready to be eaten. Do try this recipe at home and make it for your loved ones and let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again with my next recipe. Bye bye.